Hey people, my name is Juliet. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making fish vegetable yam sauce. Here I have onions and tomatoes, and I'm using this much oil because I would like to have some juice at the end of the cooking. And it's been cooking for 10 to 15 minutes. We go in with our fish, smoked mackerel. You can use much fish as you like. This is a very quick and short video. Yam don't have to have egg sauce every time. And now we go in with ginger, fish spice, and at this point I almost forgot pepper. And vegetable, and I let the vegetable cook for 2 to 3 minutes and it's ready. This was really yummy. Yeah, that is the juice. The juice I was talking about. You will love it. It's so delicious. Thank you for watching.